Demystifying Clean Game in English. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into a phrase you might have come across in English, clean game. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it effectively. Let's get started. The term, clean game, is often used in the context of sports or competitive activities. It refers to a game where players play fairly without cheating. There's a lack of controversial incidents or disputes. The game is respectful and doesn't involve any dirty play or foul behavior. For instance, if two teams played a soccer match and there were no red cards, no arguments, and both teams showed good sportsmanship, you could say it was a clean game. Apart from sports, clean game can also metaphorically refer to any situation where fairness, honesty, and respect are upheld. 1. Business. If a company is competing fairly in the market without using underhanded tactics, it's playing a clean game. 2. Personal relationships. If two people are in a disagreement but handle it maturely without resorting to name-calling or manipulation, they're having a clean game of a discussion. 3. Politics. If a political race is free from mudslinging and deceitful tactics, it can be described as a clean game. To help you get a better grasp, here are some example sentences. 1. Despite the fierce competition, both teams had a clean game with no major incidents. 2. I trust that company. They always play a clean game in the business world. 3. The debate was intense, but it was a clean game with no personal attacks. And there you have it. The phrase, clean game, is a versatile one, often pointing to fairness, honesty, and respect. Whether in sports, business, or personal matters, understanding and using this phrase can help you appreciate the nuances of the English language. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Keep learning!